In this post, I show a way to generate STL and G code files on Android. To do this, we need to install two apps. We'll install the first app by opening the Google Play Store and selecting MultiVNC. To install the second app, open a web browser and search for termux install GitHub releases. Select the official termux releases page on GitHub. Download the corresponding APK for your device's architecture. Go to the Downloads folder and install the termux APK. Open the termux application and run the following commands. Command number 1, pkg update. Command number 2, termux-setup-storage. Check the option to allow termux to access the storage. Command number 3, pkg install proot-distro. Command number 4, proot-distro install debian. Command number 5, proot-distro login debian. Command number 6, apt update. Command number 7, apt install xfce4. Command number 8, apt install tigervnc-standalone-server. Command number 9, apt install dbus-x11. Command number 10, VNC server-geometry 1280x720-x startup xfce4-session:1. Enter a word to create a new password. Enter the same password again. Open the MultiVNC application. Enter localhost for the address. Enter 5901 for the port. Press Continue. Enter the password created in command number 10. Open the terminal and run the following command. apt install Blender. Go to Applications and in Graphics choose Blender. After creating a model, go to the main menu and click on Files. Then click on Export and select STL. I'll use the following path: root, documents, Blender. To save the file, subscribe.stl. Close Blender and open the terminal and run the following command: apt install Cura. Go to Applications and in Graphics choose Ultimaker Cura. In this section, you need to read carefully and select the desired options. My printer is not red, a Crealite 3D Ender 3. Click the photo icon and select the subscribe.stl above the path. Root, Documents, Blender. Press the slice button. Press the Save to Disk button. Say CE3 subscribe.g code to the path. SD card. Documents. 3D prints. Now we insert an SD memory card into the Android device. In the Android directories, go to SD card, Documents, and copy 3D prints folder. Then copy the 3D prints folder to the root of the external SD memory. Insert the SD card into the printer. Go to the 3D prints folder and print the CE3 subscribe.g code. That's all. Remember to like the video and leave your questions in the comments section.